Welcome, in front of me is ACER Nitro 5, and in this video I will show you how to record screen on this laptop. So in order to record screen, you can either use a 3 keys combination on your keyboard, which are Windows, Shift and R buttons. Now, the next way to start a screen recording is by pressing print screen button, which is located in the top right corner of your keyboard, and after that switching the mode to record by clicking right here. Once you selected this record option, you have to select an area on your screen that you want to start recording. You can adjust it by moving the sides and the corners of it. You can also make another selection if you didn't like the first one. And as you can see right here, there are 2 new icons. The first one is unmute microphone, so if you click on it, it unmutes your microphone, and the next one mutes your system audio when you click on it. To start a screen recording, click start right here, then let the snippet tool access your microphone, and then wait for the screen recording to begin. Now everything that happens within this selected area will be shown on your screen recording, and to pause the recording, you can click the pause icon. To stop it, click the stop icon, and to delete it, click this one icon. If you click this one icon, it will be deleted without saving. So let me save this recording by clicking the stop icon. And now in the following window, you'll be able to see the full recording of your screen that you just made. If you want to trim it, you can use this quick tool right here. You can also edit it in Clipchamp, and you can save the new version of the video by clicking right here. But the video itself is already on your computer. To find it, go to File Explorer, open Videos, go to Screen Recordings folder, and in the Screen Recordings folder, the last video will be the screen recording that you just made. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.